So here we are on an iPad, and I have the Beyond Software mobile app downloaded and installed. I can click on it and launch it. And it takes me into my actions. So this is the welcome screen. Think of this as a sort of cloud-based to-do list where you can create appointments for yourself, you can create tasks for yourself, and you can even tie these activities back to projects and then flag them for when they need to be accomplished. As you can see, I already have a number of actions set up, and they're grouped by when they're due. So I have 2 that are for today, 1 for next week, 1 for this week, 1 for next week, a couple more later this month, and 1 more for much later. You can group these in a number of ways. You can group them by project. So if I'm involved in a number of projects, I can see what activities I need to do on those projects. I can, again, sort them by due date, which is what we saw earlier. I can look at categories. Categories are configurable, so I can create those on the fly. Looks like I have a lot here that are not categorized, so I'm going to work on that. So I will edit one of them. And I'm going to create a new category for myself, just called phone calls. So I'm adding this on the fly. And now it's grouped under phone calls. So maybe I want to add a new action. I can click the plus to add a new one. I'll type in the description. I'll say when I want to make it due. I want to complete it this week. It's currently incomplete. I can select from an existing category. Or if none of these fit, I can create a new category. I'll select who the responsible party is. If this is project related, I can select what project it belongs to. And if there's a particular task, I can select that as well. And I can type some notes about what I'm doing. And I can do various formatting functions. And now my new action has been added to the list under my new category of video recording. If I need to edit it, I can edit it. If I want to mark it complete, I can mark it complete to drop it off my list. You can also do things like assign these tasks to other users. If I'm not going to be able to meet with this client, maybe I want to have someone else do it. I'll edit it. I'll select the responsible party, and I'll have someone else meet with that client. And away it goes. Now it will head off and show up in Ruth Ann's queue to meet with the customer. You can filter, you can include your completed task if you want, and it does show a strike through to indicate that they are completed. You can search for tasks. I can look for meetings, and it'll filter out just what meeting I need. I could also search for a particular project. And it'll bring up just the tasks related to projects that begin with 0815. And I can also change the due date on them. So if this pull-up design status got pushed till later this month, I can actually pick a date, maybe December 5th. And the date and the due flag sync out with each other. And click back, and it's been updated. So that's a brief rundown of some of the things you can do with Action Manager.